Okay, this is a little before and after on this 2000 Heritage Softail. Been in storage for 5 years. Here's the foot pad again. Give you an idea. Crash bar. Came out pretty good. Just doing some test spots. As you can see, this thing has been used and abused. Not abused, but it's been in storage for several years. So, filthy, dirty rims. You can see it in here, all the dirt and crap. More of the neglect. What happens when you let these beautiful bikes sit for a while. They just get all full of dust and white walls get all dirty. Shame. But then you come along, little TLC, man, you get that mirror finish. These are truly works in progress, man. You just start going. You get bored, you get tired of one area, and then you move on to the next, because you got to take a lot of things off to get the lines all good, get the seams clean, like down in here. Getting all these seams clean, toothbrushing out the logos, you know, getting in all these nooks and crannies, down to the little stars hanging off the bottom, iron cross. Inside the stoplight bezels. Yeah, I mean, hey, gonna do it right, or don't even waste your time. So, I like the turtle wax, chrome polish. Toothbrush, and then when you're coming in, especially on these plastic parts, you know, I don't use the 4/0 steel wool. Everything's 4/0, so it's the 4 zeros. Don't get nothing coarser. But when you're cleaning all this stuff up, they're all around the plastic. Old toothbrush, they're new ones. You know, you can buy them real cheap at Walgreens or your local drugstore, but they work great. Just let the stuff dry, and you can always brush it out. So, here's what a crappy floorboard looks like. Just dirt, dust, a little bit of surface rust and age. There's what the finished product looks like. Just redid the brake pedal. Now we're going to do the others. So, like I say, it's toothbrush work, man. But if you're willing to take the time, you can clean stuff up and make it look new. So you can see this is all four-aught steel wool, man. Light rub with turtle wax chrome polish. Now there's what you call a shine on an old oil can. Look at that reflection there. Nice. So there's the pedal all together, footboard. So a little toothbrush, that's all it was the whole way. Toothbrush, turtle wax, chrome polish, rags, and some Q-tips. And as we used to say in the old days, turn shit to shinola. Then just to give you a comparison, that one still has to be done. So check it out. Looks all beat up, but it's just surface rust. You know, it's all this cheap chrome and shit they use nowadays. You get surface rust. When I get that cleaned up, I'll show you how that one goes too. So anyway, little by little.